How many of you have ever created an expectation for another human being? How many of you ever created an expectation for another human being, comma, never shared that expectation with them? And then when they didn't fulfill the expectation that they knew nothing about, who are you mad at? Them. How many of you that said them believe you are intelligent adults? I agree with you. But it's just a pattern. It's insane. How many of you create an expectation for traffic? How many people work in their homes? Okay, how many people go to centers? Okay, so this is for the people that go to centers. Somebody tell me how far your center is away from your home.
20 miles.
What's that? 9 miles. How long does it take you? What did you say about there? 44 miles. Wow, you win. Okay, so ready? She's more committed than somebody thought that. Yeah, exactly. So how long does it take you to get the 9 miles in the morning? 15, 20 minutes. What time do you have to be there? Okay, what time do you leave your house? Oh. So I'm going to let other people's minds start hating you. How many people know exactly how long it takes to get to school, and then you leave 12 minutes before it's that time? And then you're surprised when you're stuck behind a school bus. What? School buses in the morning on a weekday? Unreasonable. And now you're blaming who? The time, the sand. What? Lights turn red in the morning? Are you out of your mind?